The Jamaica Constabulary Force suspends female cop held overseas for lotto scamming. She is also accused and arrested for mail fraud and drug trafficking. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Police High Command of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the JCF, is reporting that a member of the force has been suspended with immediate effect following her arrest on criminal charges in the United States of America on Friday, February the 4th. She has been identified as 42-year-old Shelly-Ann Allen. Allen has been arrested by a Homeland Security investigation team shortly after arriving in Fort Lauderdale, Florida in the United States. She has been charged for alleged wire fraud, mail fraud, and drug trafficking. The Jamaica Constabulary Force in a release said it will continue to collaborate with its international counterparts in this manner. Information coming from international media sources is that Allen has been accused of being one of the leaders of the lotto scamming organization that flees millions from unsuspected victims. At the current exchange rate, the scheme reportedly led by Allen would have netted the scammers more than 250 million Jamaican dollars. Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime portfolio Fitz Bailey said that the woman was taken into custody in America on Friday. According to an affidavit signed by an agent with the U.S. Homeland Security, Constable Shelly-Ann Allen is accused of conspiracy to commit wire fraud and conspiracy to commit mail fraud. Constable Allen is also accused of being head of a lottery scamming organization that investigators named after her. According to the affidavit filed in the Eastern District of Wisconsin, is that Allen, the organization's scheme, targeted people saying they have won the prize of a luxurious car, a home, and $18 million. DSP Bailey confirmed that Allen is a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. DSP Bailey says U.S. law enforcement officers have informed their Jamaican counterpart that Allen was arrested in Fort Lauderdale on Friday evening. Our news team understands that Allen's son was also arrested some time ago for lottery scamming. It is understood that Allen is a veteran of almost 20 years of service within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. According to criminal complaint, one victim reportedly defrauded of approximately $50,000. The victim said that they sent $30,000 to an address in the United States under the impression that funds would secure the victim's winning. One alleged co-conspirator in the scheme reportedly told investigators that they smuggled US 21,000 of 30,000 US into Jamaica via a barrel containing soap, detergent, and other items. The victim told investigators that they sold their house to raise the money and lost approximately US $150,000 in total. Investigators said that the scheme allegedly run by Allen started in 2019 and continued to this day. According to complaint filed in the United States, 6 other persons from the scheme that included sending money by wire transfer and also other financial institutions with their involvement. Federal investigators in the United States state that they tracked multiple transactions linked to account open in the name of Shelly-Ann Allen, both in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and also address believed to be in Trelawney, Jamaica. In one spending spree, investigators alleged that Allen splunged out 5,000 US at a shopping retail store to purchase various high-brand items, including Victoria's Secret brand. A review of numerous accounts tied to this organization revealed a loss in excess of $1.69 million US from 17 victims across the county, including a Brown County victim court documents in the case against the policewoman states. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.